angazami nokuzama ke mina shame. Ngeke shame ngize ngizame because ngiyazi yini angeke ihluleke izovela ithi.
You know, Mosei we show you the new Tabane, but the original faces, they're always here. Always here.
Udile wamsikela kancane or
amsikelanga lo kumsikeli.
Yeah, usikiha. God, yabona
okay, iqiniso like failing Udile.
bathi nangu ad neministrator epink ithi nyomlanda lapho adi guys uyazi ukuthi bengingabuzana nowathi siyadulusa
okay guys so me like mina nocho phela sirindoda phela mina nocho nithi mina ngithi ake ngiphume ngasifili if ngindaweni enkwarini mele ngisifili if ngimele ngithathe out of the i10 ngawa change ngagcoka so
bathathe isikhathi eside e-toilet nama-toilet wasemingcwabeni guys bathathe isikhathi eside lawa green so sicela u-adi ukuthi asho ukuthi okokuqala u-adi uthatha indoda yabantu uthatha indoda yami guys that like
hey guys, A-Dub. You know guys, so yeah. So guys, classic gay stories, you know what's up guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, just
hit the notification,
like leave a comment, do what you gotta do guys. Sharp. So guys, I go by the name Opie O'Brien. You know, so
hi, I'm Adrienne Black Barbie.
Black what? The Barbie doll.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is your girl McFlurry, aka Ice Cream at McDonald's. The oil that I want one yaga and then lunching.
Hello. Hey guys, what's popping? It's your girls. Watch my music. Ipodlela la kola ice cream passing imnandi njengayo. Monga imnandi mina ke ba mnandi banjenga ibheli elivani.
Okay guys, so today we have
a guest,
and let's hope we're gonna have the guests time to time, like you know what's up. You know Mosei Tabane, we show you the new Tabane, but the original faces, they're always here. Always here, sitting on the couches. You know,
beaches come and go.
Beaches come and go. The couch is too hot for you to sit on. So you should know how to. So yeah, guys. So of course today is no McFlurry.
McFlurry.
You know what's up. So So guys, today's no McFlurry. You know, she's McFlurry on everything, on all social media platforms. Yes. And the worst part today, we want you, everybody here, like who's ever watching, to come and join. It's also, you know, it's now we are using man with it's him.
Sort of a country, guys. I know.
So guys, so enough of us, enough let's give. I just want McFlurry to tell us more about herself.
Yes.
You know, just introduce herself to the viewers. Yeah, no, you should mean like manje introduce us as a you know, bamazi. I get this person music by Agwazi. I
ice cream man.
Okay guys, mina again will make McFlurry as bashilo ne and ngihlala emfula ngihlala around the Freedom Park. Yeah,
okay, so why did you call yourself McFlurry J?
Cause like guys, eat ice cream at McDonald's not between nani ne, and obviously maybe like nani nani birthday.
So okay.
Yeah, basically that's why I'm getting you McFlurry, guys.
Okay.
Oh man.
So
yeah, I get you.
What is like you know going to put like ufuna ukuza ke show Peter then
like angazi ne Okay, maybe uSposh vele guys ungibizile yabo. Mara like vele bese ngibonile already kuma post ku Facebook and stuff. But uSposh sakhuluma noSposh wathi ufuna ukuthi ngize ku podcast aqala ama video call and stuff. Yeah guys. So ngivele ngathi nje ithi ngiye kuyobaba.
Edesabona. Like you see let the vele like yabona into esijekusiyo.
So yeah guys. So today I just want us to, since Nancy has looked at you know, and like anything, and if you want more details to just follow me, what?
Larry everywhere.
So guys, today our first topic, I just want us to go back to where we come from the first time we started broadcasting, just to talk brief about why is this show Kasike Stories and why do we say we're we're just educating those people with it. Why the name of the show? Why Eitabene? So I just want everybody to
okay, can I start?
I express with Kasike Stories and Eitabene. What does it mean?
Okay. Can I start? Okay. By my side, guys, it's like it's a name representing every gay, like wonkama gay represent Eitabeni. Like it's the caption. It's an umbrella.
Yes.
It's an umbrella. So yeah guys, it's an umbrella. And then why we called a podcast here to Kasike Stories, like singamake wasekhasi. Sidaba zasekhasi.
Amaki actually.
Ekhasi. Yeah, vele like yeah, agcwele ekhasi. Yeah, agcwele ekhasi guys.
Okay, it's McFly. Wena mawubhekile nje ukuthi phela you should just say something. Mawubhekile, what's the show about?
Obviously, like the show is about gay as ashilo vele ukuthi umbrella thina siphansi kwe umbrella kahle
Mokuyimvula sonke.
I understand that guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Understanding yamu Kasike Stories.
No, the first time the just for weights like the meaning
Okay, Kasike Stories natim. They like the reason why I see the Kasike Stories called because like Megasi and they like it stories is cool. Is that like Kasi? Like Kasi. Yeah.
So yeah.
So Eitabene group like a crew. Kasike Stories sila. So
Location.
Yes. You know.
So for me to add what everybody said, Kasike Stories for me, it was just it's a lot of gays and gay stories. Guys, we experience a lot of things, guys.
Yes,
you know, everything is guys because no matter what is seen as poor me la pescona, like door is no matter zonke into is guys. You know, Ikasi has. And
things.
Why ngithi Kasike Stories the last time yabona mangathi ubona ku ETV ngo11 bokudlala iKasi Stories. Niyawazi
iphuye lebuyile.
Niyawazi guys.
Ngiyazi ibuyile.
Nambe ngikuhlezi ngibukela. So lapha nama-Kasi Stories maningi and it's rare
it's what happening.
It's
like in reality show so.
Yeah, and it's rare to tell like ama-suburb scene and ama-suburb stories because akunama stories eziningi lapha and iKasi sinama story especially thina ezitabane sikhule ngendlela ehlukile sitreat ngendlela esihlukile so we have big stories. That's why it's Kasike Stories. And for Eitabene for me means we are united, you know, we can conquer together, you know, we are one, we on the same thing, you know, like ngathi so ngithi guys, angithi your guys ama siye Eitabene vele sihlangene nabangani bami ngithi show me bele siye pride ama-pride these days ama-gay ahamba ngama-crew and thina we are Eitabeni.
Kuthi mase sifika lapha bathi
Caca nje ukuthi
Eitabeni.
And then we 3 May.
Ha! Yabona
Lapho sovala umkhukhu.
sovala.
Basibukanga next.
Ngiyay not.
Mina ngifila yabona leya like ukuthi basasingena. Kwanda.
Yo,
Like ihwa chomi like hospital school ihwa yabona bathi yabathusa
Nje
masasingena and then like
Yes,
bathini boys in what
wide in heels.
Nje
mina ngeke ngibone ngitrinchabe ngetebi
Ngeke nganyana ki hill.
Mwanyana ki hill
And hill la kona bele
Mwanyana ki
Mono ya driver too. Mono ya driver libe
livume nawe
livume nawe.
Yeah.
So guys, we're going to talk about the second thing about E3. We also, as we're talking about E3, we're also promoting this kind of events that we want to be there. So, we're not promoting it, but we're talking about it. So, this event is being hosted in Orlando West.
Go West.
Orlando West. And it's on the 3rd of May, guys. So, Tina is AW and we want to be there.
I would wanna be there.
You know, so
Yeah,
just to make some topic, I just want to give you some brief on our outfit ideas. But doesn't mean ukuthi soqoka lento lezo, but the way I wanna look ngaleyo langa. You understand? No, I need to eat design. Or kanjani also say design. Ukhohliwe manje.
Fashion design.
I need to like it. I will tell you exactly, but what you wanna be, like the bulls born
Like inspo.
Mina ngathini like mina
Bathuse kancane.
Ithingatshele nje. Mina impahla ziningi ezi-6 so angazi ukuthi ngigcokani like expectani ubu-sexy.
Okay, I expect to be sexy.
Ubu black body.
Yes.
Tongue out.
Tongue out.
Sharp.
Kick out.
Kick out. Nizwile.
Your red velvet.
Red velvet.
Scan.
Scan. Ayana kisi. Show them what. Show them what.
So now guys, okay. Baki mwanyana ki what? Mwanyana ki rompa. Mwanyana ki pampas.
Yes.
Mwanyana ki sebono.
Yes.
Like you guys out. I'm not for them people. I get cool. Na guys show ning note. Like I ain't enjoy outfit am. Ngiyafika ngibhedi ezingiyibhedi ngiyibhedi and like ake umuntu ozongisa ngibhedi
Okay.
bari confident kibhedi man
Kibhedi man.
like guys
Kibhedi nesi.
kibhedi I am a follow bhedi
Ayo. Mina guys ne ngizogcoka kahle like ngifuna ukuphapha sporty chance cuz December bengisa.
Yeah.
Mabelo wait
Guys bengisa December but so ngifuna ukubapha chance ukuthi like so outfit time like okay I think it's hangazi for now cuz I need to go buy impahla mara angeke ibe ngibapha chance futhi yena nguphi chance
no uthi phela why ngithi mina ungipha chance like mina chimi vele mina like mangithi ngiyanyisa mayithi let's say phela ngithi like besingekho sonke phela that's why unabo phela like it's my first time ngibona namhlanje so that's why ngithi maybe bonyisa mara like me
I maybe bengisa
okay sharp okay make flat guys bekanyisa mara like if bengikhona beyangibona if they oh nah chama compete like I'm compete competition yona yeah kusema guys ne like uthi ungiphi chance okay shop so yibona yakho but noma ngathi ngiphi chance noma ngathi ungiphi shine mina ngihlezi ngiyisa yabona nje everyone makangibona uhlezi athi yochumona hlezi unithi chimi mina ngihlezi ngiyisa and mangithi nyanyisa
chama ngiyanyisa bas
wena phela uyisa ngendlela yakho ngiyisa
asimithi like yes
kana chimi ngitshela wena like ngitshela kanjani ngibheli uyini
ngibheli
ngibhela ngisho
mina ngiyimi ngi ice cream chama msoco
Oh, le nomsoco. Oh, le.
When we astropes le okay, sharp.
Uyibhodlela Chomi hayi
Uyibhodlela.
Astropes. Oh, you're right. Mina ngi-astropes. Phela ngeke
Astropes. Chomi afike uyachicha mka.
Chomi no. Ngibhodlela le-astropes ngimnene.
Sazoba i-dairy milk.
Ngibhodlela le-astropes.
Yeah, guys. Abantu usibash i-chance guys.
So nizile guys.
That's Chomi ne wena. Awukangiboni like Chomi ngisazoyixozelela mina.
Asikangabonani.
Chomi asingabonani. And then like last abonana khona.
Bona manje.
Chomi
Ngibona nakuma podcast.
no phela podcast. Phela Chomi once wangibona ngaphandle we-country. We-country ngapha vele like from country. So we-country. What's up? Ubefuna ubaki. Bazane. Uzoduyehle ngenyembezi.
Wena yokhala wena. Uyozavume ukuthi okay, sabekuplan uyababa.
And again mina angisile sitaba lesinqoma itabane.
Ushuthi nomoya.
Mamela Chomi.
Wayemele kubaba every day. Wayabanye kamela ngebaba.
Ayibo, wayabanye kamela ngebaba. Wait, uvala lapho ke. Wayekabile kubambe mina every day. Hayi ukuthi ngizoba ngifuna. Ukuthi waze babafuna.
Wena wangafuna compliment abanye abantu. So kanti mina ufuna ukuthi compliment wena.
Mina chama ngisho ukuthi
boss uyababa namhlanje boss eyelash.
Yeah, manje mina akafuna ngiphi chance usofuna ngiphi ngafuna isikhuluma. Okay, singikhulumele.
Okay.
Ngitshela isite lami. Mina okay, kodwa bothini angifuni like
yeah, awufuni compliment angishilo
ukuthi Chomi like wasn't ukujempe one.
Ngoba zibaba ukudlula wena.
Hayi ukuthi sibaba ukudlula mina ni. I think when mase ngibathi ukuthi okay Chomi like giving. Like yabona Chomi mina ngabona ukuthi like uyababa. Kamele ngize ngithi go. Ukuthi go. Kwathi ukuthi hayi ke.
Awubabi go.
Wathi wabona ngithi Chomi yo. Was ukuthi hayi ke umbhedo nisi.
Wena uyanyisa uthi umbhedo.
Mina Chomi akangisho ukuthi ngiyanyisa ne like mina wathi ngasibheka esipilini outfit yami ngabona ukuthi okay sharp this is the way I wanted to wear like ngiyababa ngaphandle ngiyini astropes yabona into esiphuzayo
guys
ukuthi nje asithandi maseyibamba ngamadlasi because abazali bazobona
isingani kanjalo vele
yeah
understand.
Okay guys astropes and what
and the ice cream
ice cream but okay sure
okay
hey Peturayo
it's nomsoco
maka Chomi ikhuluma umsoco asobo 6 rand yabona wathi afika nje McDonald's azothi 6 rand
yo
like mina yabona astropes
izalo and Chomi ngathi one day
astropes lapha yo
mina I feel like ngathi the viewers bafuna i6 astropes one day
Chomi hey for mina like mangithenga vele like ngiphuza yona kuphela
yathi usithengele usikhombise ku next show
oh yeah
ibhodlela
but not i6 yonke mzala
no guys
oh yeah it's pack
i6 pack guys mina okay sharp ngangithengela nebag ngokuthi kwamanje imali yami serious guys mina ngangithengela but ukuthi kwamanje imali yami ayikangeni but
so manje every weekend uyiphuza astropes
no every weekend
Chomi yayidla
oh yeah every weekend like why mina ngiphuza every weekend namhlanje ngithi ngiyiphuza put the podcast ngoba ngiyibhodlela la astropes uhlezi ngithengela so mina ngithi ngiyanthelela so uthi like nini shaka
mina ngiphuza astropes
angithi Chomi ngiphuza ebhodisayo yeah
ekhulumayo
phela Chomi ngithi wena ne-allergy ku-astropes so like understand
guys
Chomi ukuthi makayiphuza ne-Africa ivele ishrinke
okay that's I understand guys like abona inkinga ukuthi astropes mangase uma ungayithenganga yabo ikhuluma kakhulu
yeah Chomi angithi uput a podcast ngithengela yona guys so uhlezi ngithengela special cause ngibhodlela la astropes Chomi uphuza
uyibhodlela mntana
Chomi wait wasn't okay sharp wasn't on big story when mangithi ibhodlela la astropes ngithini ibhodlela
Like the
phakathi
whole-
linani
Okay.
phakathi linani line-isotropes so angeke ngithi ibhodlela le-isotropes ngaphakathi kune-isotropes what's that like kamele ngiyibeke ngithi ibhodlela la-isotropes and ngimnandi njengayo mangithi ngimnandi njengayo wait mangithi ngimnandi njengayo ngisuke ngirepresenta into engaphakathi kwebhodlela thank you
Wena uphuza ngisho.
Mina.
Yeah.
Guys, mina ngiphuza extreme ne-brutal.
Wena uphi?
mina ngiphuza nini ngiphuza i-brutal ne-flying fish ne-baham
Wena mngani?
Mina ngiyifeni punch.
okay
Nebhodlela.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ne-flying
Okay,
fish.
guys, ne? Okay.
Oh, angithi isotropes.
phela kuseyistropes hayibo imali mayingekho phela kuseyistropes
black label kahle kahle
shoda ngithi
Uvela wele phansi.
shoda ukuthi ngiyibhodlela lesavana nginandi nje mara ngeke ngiyibhodlela la stropes ngisigama lami lo hayi isavana phela
Okay, wena uphuza ngisho.
Jimmy like okay sharp I don't want to lie mangibona ukuthi imali ngishayile ngiphuza isavana but if ama ladies athenga ibaham nokucutha kancane but mina I drink isavana ne-isotropes yeah
okay ngwanyana wawa
ibhodlela ngaphezulu ezo adashile or kanjani nje
Ngasifuni izinkayi.
okay so
Guys,
Yo, today nginendaba
I have a
ke
question,
today.
ne? Mina,
Okay,
oh wena.
okay, uthi umkhuluma ke. Uzokhuluma after.
Guys, like cela ukuthi sishone ama first experience and uthoma ukukhuluma iqiniso ama first experience like ubuchichi like the time buphuka like the story sakho like that day ngalelo langa ngelo like the first time ubuchichi baphuka
Mina guys by my side I'm Stella Vision so I won't break that rule ukuthi uchichi bami benzeni I'm Stella Vision I will die vision like I say vision angeke ngone yo
mina guys ne okay ithi ngichichi
uthi so me be honest I want to be honest
Mara nami
guys
honest. Abantu
bathi mina
abantu
udliwe mina
Udliwe
mina abantu
angengilivuma wena ufuna ukungivumisa into engayizwa fine ukhenkeresha ngiyakhenkeresha mara ukuthi ngikhenkeresha lokudliwa angidliwa ngitshitshi
uyathandaza mngani phela ucululoliwe
angicuni
Ala ubani kanti? Cula ubani? Uyarepa.
ngikuze istroke
okay guys as bengisho ne abantu abangibelieve ukuthi ngitshitshi ne cuz nange 28 last year ish okay nange 28 last year ngihambe nomunye guy saya kubo and like after inquiry kahle kahle nge29 lapho abantu abangibelieve guys ukuthi like bacabanga ukuthi senze something so okay sharp nini I think last week ne bengithi like ngivuke ngithi yazi ne namhlanje ngiyophula lobujiji mengifika ku guys okay sharp saxoza okay makathi uyalifaka mngani athi tight ulokolo uthi ngithi yenza ulokolo chomi angasabhori ngabe la ngathi yakani usana nobujiji bami once senza umemudlo mngani
umemudlo
shokuthi uyasoma
yeah
ngiyasoma uyasoma
mara ngisasejiji guys oh b
yo mina guys yo mina I feel like abafana bayangithanda and angibathanda into lezi abazanazo so nami ngisasejiji
Nami nje afana ngiyathanda mara masikufika empedini nami seyitshitshi.
why ke okay sharp uyabona nje banithi nonke ngamachi
hayibo
no to
Why
me
when
wrong
you want
kumele kube
angithi like mangithi ngitshitshi nangiphikisa but nina manithi ngamachicha ngiphikisi why ngoba
Uyazi ukuthi ngithatha
ngiyayazi ukuthi ngamachichi nami I know myself ukuthi ngitshitshi nami nayazi ukuthi ngitshitshi but nina nizogcizelela cause lithi and like broadcast never before bazo broadcast but let's play ukuthi mina ngithi wait
bacishe hayibo
bacishe nangumuntu othi bacishe
okay
mina ngaziveli mina bakaze ke like I don't
guys mina ngicela ukukhuluma Usiboshe kathi uyitshitshi because of ufuna ukuthi impilo because uhamba amatshitshi. And
lapha yocula
uyi-leader usama ama-drum
asazi ukuthi
uleader abantombazane.
No guys, one
nabo
thing.
umthwalo wami uyangisinda.
Mina anginamthwalo ongisindayo. Ngithoba nomthwalo mongisinda mangasitshitshi. Kuthi manje ngitshitshi umthwalo akwangisinda. Why ningibhiza ngitshitsha ke?
Ngoba uhamba amatshitshi uyitshitshi mgani.
Uyasho nawe ngoba ngihamba amatshitshi ngitshitshi.
uyogida lapha leyo
Ngiyagida ngiyahlolwa.
Edolweni.
Uhle zabhadala nje bamfayina. Bacela ifine 500 wena.
Edolweni uthi asitshela abantu bangihlola la edolweni. Yini nedolweni?
Bacheka ivein.
Usho
wena.
Ngasho nini?
bangihlola idolo kanjani? Wathi
Bangihlola idolo kanjani nginekuku? Ikuku inani yona?
Tusukuma bayibona kuku.
Sukuma bayibona.
Inonile ebuka.
Prevention guys.
Engathakajulusha bo.
Kosi inonile leku.
Adinga ukudulusa. Thibona. But siyadulusa. Siyadulusa.
Okay guys. So Chomi, like me anocho phela sisela indoda phela mina Chomi. Omshoma musha i-guest.
Mina ngicela usixoxa leso sineyo ndaba.
Okay, sure.
So guys, nge-28 besikulileka ngithi ahlangana nabo OB and stuff. So khona omunye guy ngilishikama kodwa ubani?
Amashika sithiyo. Sakatrade ilapho para abantu straight
Okay, so okay. Ngikulisho. Okay, ngizosho nickname. Guys, other guy ufika kimi yabo siyakhuluma okay sacabuzana and uAdi no Obi bayasibona le like kuba on sacabuzana lokho sacabuzana okay sharp umntonze omunye uguy angilathi kamlo lo yaguy la
Ngoba nomntantsi.
Yena
Udonsa amadoda
Bamdonsile tho.
Okay, sharp. Umntwana omunye guy so. Bakantwana lo guy lona bo. Okay, sharp guy lo.
Ukhuluma ngento zakho sibosho uyabantu.
Sikhuluma nalo guy lo omunye because uwalisipha vele bese kangibhora guys yabo. Okay, sharp manje nalo guy lo ishabantu bathini isibebe baka sharp. Sengibhizi nalo guy lo because walisipha seka yangibhora. Uwalisipha angibona ukuthi angisekho kuye walisipha athi yazi mina nguAdi neministrator epink ithi nyomlanda
Landa.
Ay lapho Adi guys uyazi ukuthi bengiqabuzana nowalisupa guys
Ujahela vuke crypto.
Okay sharp angazi bayenza into zabo kumele asixoxele uAdi guys ukuthi bayenzeni lapha ya because bathathe isikhathi eside bathathe isikhathi eside e-toilet nama toilet wasemingcwabeni guys bathathe isikhathi eside lawa green so sicela uAdi ukuthi asho ukuthi okokuqala uAdi uthatha indoda yabantu uthatha indoda yami guys that like le ya
Angishile.
So we know it
Wathi bekakafulela umthwalo umngani wami.
umthwalo uyasibe ngifuna isithembu mngani bengibafuna boyithu
Ufuna ingene zoyithula.
Chuzo ozozibamba lezo
Ozobaba
Ngizotshela-ke ukuthi kahle kahle guys adanga ikude nakude sicela ukuthi sifuna ukwazi la ukuthi amagrize ngitoilet wenza kanjani
guys kahle umfana ne like angimlandanga uzele Chomi.
Okay, bayazela labafana.
Hayibo bazela.
Uzele
Okay.
Wamlandela tho.
Then umfana athi mase sikhuma e-toilet.
Wathi when we are caught.
wathi nje ila nyakona
Ngathi wa e-toilet athi uma kuhlala uzosibona.
uthe akazi ukuthi ngumcfly wathi ukuthi
Uthe lo ya uzosibona and uzokwada. Athi mase e-toilet safike sakhuluma. So yeah, sikhuluma nje e-toilet.
ayikho leyo mngani
Hayibo
Mina nje mangitexta abo girl abanye so bathi Anginganakho kuza ama toilet anyakazi.
Nyakazi toilet guys. Uphume lapho ufake mini skirt mhlambe ingaka. Uphume sekayazilungisa thina ayibo. So sifuna ukwazi ukuthi like uculile wamsikela kancane or
Amsikela ngalo kumsikeli.
yeah usikiha kodwa
Yabona bathi le nto leya. Yabona ikota before uyiluma ngisayiluma kancane. Like angilumekile yeah maybe umsikele.
Okay, iqiniso like vele ngiculile.
Bathi ipipe linekopo sho ukuthi ke.
Chomi. Hayibo ntombazana.
Wethe sambi.
No, ngiculile kuphela nje makathi ufuna ukufaka ngathi angeke ngikhona ukulifaka khona ngitshitshi. Ngicululolile.
Or best performance.
Yes. Then after ngihamba lapha
Uyaculela
le video le trendayo lapha like le
bese
video.
ngibuya
No, kule video le bese sithi mina bengihamba yena ngazi ukuthi uyaphila.
boya kini
Yes, yena ngazi ukuthi uyaphila izansi.
abelathini lapha
Makenza lapha yeah uthi lapha.
Yabona le action le bebayikhuluma lapha.
It's the same
Like,
thing.
yabona
Ayishilo. Yes. I'm sure
ulandele manje
uzodlala ivideo lapha usithola uzodlala ivideo sithola.
Uyawuzodlala lapha.
ulandele manje
Uzodlala ivideo lapha usithola uzodlala ivideo sithola.
Uyawuzodlala lapha ivideo so
umlandele manje
Yeah, basho leyo nto le. Mara yena uthe ngicela siphinde.
Maruka abantu ngathi bangamblera yazi shima ngabona.
Yo kaya samuhli.
Yo ithing khona shikuthi bekazothathwa ibi bazake.
Net 3 I'm so
go
show me. Squeeze. I'm so
squeeze guys
show me net 3 sahlala umfana.
mina nge3 ngiyothatha lo ya
Mina
lo Orlando naye
mina ngilanda lo wase-18.
La opi. Hayibo
wase-18 umuphi
Wase-18
awubazi mngani bose Eastern Gate
hayibo
emabhayibheli
yenzani?
Athi bengeza.
wasikela waphakelwa isiphazelo wasiphaza ke.
Uyaliphakelile.
Yo bekuphuzisa astrophaze lapha all the way. Yabona astrophaze mina yo ngibhekisise kahle sisi listen mina trusty nna ke ngwanyana wa astrophaze savana ngwanyana nna ngishibe hantle inwabaham uyitshontsha yabo like inyanya itshontsha nemang 25 rand mangifuna baseplugin phuzele sa spirit so nna ke ngwanyana wa astrophaze love ke ngwanyana wa savana love so moso uthi nje nna trusty look at my body look at my body
Look at this
body I'm Tyler.
yes
So you won't tell me that I'm drinking a Drosty. I'm not drinking a Drosty.
You never. Wait,
Listen.
Tyler
Listen to me.
Tyler sinda amazuni sisi chichi guys
Okay. Basi abantu angeke ubone umuntu ngendlela eyi-1 ne ngilike nini okay shabathi nithi niyala ngokungibona kwenu angisichichi ne but mina inside my like kimi ngizazi ngichichi
ngamchomi
ungazi ngichichi
no nangizathi mina ngichichi
yes vele nje bangithi yo meflan uhlala
Umntwazana yakwahluleka wena
angazami nokuzama ke mina shame angeke shame ngize ngizame because ngiyazi mina ngeke ngihluleke izovela ithi no phela wait
asunoma ubani
yabona i-tight before uyigcoka mawasho ukuthi uthenge i-tight ofuna ikubambe angithi nzima ukunyuka I know it kamele nawe uze ubreathe in
you breathe
bese like uyabekezela
uyabekezela umzala
ubekezela
ukuthi
uyabekezela ukuthi thatha inyuka ngisho
no
so ngiyasho ukuthi mina phela ngiyabona ngesikhathi sami ngizobekezela ukuthi okay shop man yimbe ngifuna lento le kamele kube forced ukuthi ngene But for now, love, like bitch.
Chaman, what do you push on?
Yo!
Msho like Gigi. I love ukulukhulu nje bayethe.
Busy. Yo!
Acho da ichi. Akutsipela ke. Afula la ka
Suka asuka chazulwe bedathi usacela ubujiji bakho yathi uyabada. Yo, liyabona leyo.
Yo, that day. Okay, uthi
Ngachase ungana amasho leyo nto.
What if uyabanda?
wathi uyabanda.
Nyabanda isihlongisho ngizoba ngibana ngiyitholile into engiyifunayo.
Oh.
But angibandi ngiyashisa. Why ngithi ngiyashisa ngisame naye even ithi ngwa.
Ivele ithi
Like iphakeme. Yeah. Iphakathi ebalayitini. Shoda phumelela bisi la khona.
Okay.
Ababisi.
Yabona ibisi babathi yabona ibisi masokuthela ama cornflakes.
Uma nababisi.
Ama cornflakes nawe la.
Okay.
Yeah, ibisi lingena la.
Ngena la. Okay. Bashwash.
Wasimamizi yazi.
Okay.
Bodlela lani.
Bodlela mngani.
Lani. Wayefuna iqedelele. Or kamene ngipodlela le black.
Guys, bakathi bengithe ndabale uyibhodlela and atu expensive. Chomoyo kalisa amabhodlela.
No la.
Molkalisa ibhodlela bama-2 jobi ibhodlela. So kahle
Okay, what's
kahle
the
you
one?
$2. I'm asking.
No. Chimi listen. Give today. Give. Shukuthi spirit sakhe sidla ngaphakathi kimi. Shukuthi nje ufuna ukuthi listen joy. Angithola ukhuluma ngizothini usekhothwe. Ukhuluma statement mina ngitshela case ke. Yeah, mina ngiphendula ngecase. Listen my love. Hayi ukuthi mase ngithi ibhodlela. No, I'm representing what? Istropez. But angithi like
bayakwazi kwa Istropez.
Ni branding Farayani, the Istropez. That's why he's the ibhodlela Istropez. Yes. Ubaba mo owner icompany.
Wanafikile baqeda ukusho.
Oh, sabima uTom ke wathi ona
isibhedlela. So ubaba owner yonke like yabona yonke into
onifilo mbad.
Yo,
president. Baba mishi yabona ne nothini. Ubaba mi ibouncer la kamongameli. Ubaba bi sengizakazi gogo kusakazi
go
yabona lakhe masango ubandile kunene ama bouncer like ngisakazi nje ama bouncer ka president one Ramaphosa so like Jimmy ubaba that's why una Istropez that's why una clinic ebizwane
ourselves
no ansi ngiyamtshela
hey ngifuna ukwazi
ukuthi Pretoria
hayibo
hey Pretoria hospital
hayibo wathi last time
ngathi Pretoria hospital
hayibo ntombazana
Bele bayibukele le ya. Bele bayishayele.
Oh, it was that day. It was okay. Sorry. It was that day ngikhuluma like ukuthi abantu bafukwazi ukuthi isebenza kanjani amapilisi ne. Yeah, it was that day. I don't remember.
Kuma mase ngithi ngibhido la.
No, ukuthi choma ngihlabe ngine. Ukuthi last time wathi yena uyibread angakhona ukuqoqa lento lena like yabo.
Angakhona ukuba
in terms of impahla I can be a braid, I can be a ngaba abantu
uthi versatile.
Uthi versatile.
Oh, versatile osho ke.
Angaba ipantsula makafuni.
Yes.
Ngipantsula kazi.
Ngisakhuluma ke phela nje.
Pantsula lapha yangithetha.
Mangisuka yithi angeke ngisuke ngasifili. No, like ngizoyikhuluma ke guys. Ngithi mina ngithi angeke ngiphume ngasifili if ngendaweni enkwarini. Mele ngisifili if ngimele ngithathe out of the 10 ngawa change. Ngawagcoka. So yes. Impahla engisigcokayo ngiyazi ukuthi ziyabambisa.
Yes, Themba.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
Mal.
Salvador. Show me will be your own question.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Jiba boyla ipizza izolo wena ungashorela ngayo your friends.
Guys,
Bathengele yena Tommy.
No. Usibasha ifuni older all.
Hayibo.
Ayifuna usibasha older.
Forward Tommy.
Ayifuna.
Azingathuka mzala.
Lapho nje no.
Oh,
like you know, I'm abangandashera. Shukuthi akabe ngene slides from neno athi ke No. Ngiyikhalele.
Mina ngidlile.
Oh, sho ukuthi mina yimislini.
So no. Hayi uthi nje bekafuna ukuthi angidle mina ngifike ngesikhathi esiright. Wona ufike ngesikhathi.
No, phela thina ngifikile lapha obhinga ngavela ngathi ngiyababona ni. Ngavela ngathi thingenza ungathi ngiyokokota kubo bese ngiphinde ngidlule. Kanti utsho maybe ungibonile or akangibonanga.
Ayibonanga mfana. Ngizofuna ukho.
Okay.
Ngifila.
Usemoyeni.
And moya iwofuneka.
And cool, cause
So Jimmy, can you please answer my question?
okay, my question is that ngifila ngathi ezinye izinto we can share, ezinye we can't.
Exactly.
Okay.
Like I can not share what ufana ngokuthi soshare indoda mangizobe besidla day.
Oh, I get you. But like lapho
You know, singathi share indoda engathi
I wanna like gift them I didn't show.
Ufana nokuthi
gift yakho you didn't share.
ufana nokuthi makasilethela angilethele maybe amakeke athi awakho la makeke
Awakho.
maqala lapho
Utheleli like umtheleli
lava over
Yeah, that's all I
like
No, ngitshelwa ngisho kanjani. Gift yami I didn't give you ngisho. Gift yakhe ngapha ngalo.
Suthi angasina ukuthi wayangasinika ngeke.
That's why ngithi like why? Sengifuna ukubona ukuthi yena kwi-answer yakho uyophendula kanjani. Angisho ukuthi Chombe ngifuna ipizza and stuff. Sengifuna ukuzwa ke-answer yakho ukuthi yena like uyoyisho kanjani. I get his point. Ngiyathola point yakhe.
phela naye umuntu wami uyajabula
Mayidliwa wunye. Yeah, I get your point
because uyabuza vele ukuthi idliwe bani. You know.
Yimi. Yeah, yabona lento ukuthi yimi usho ukuthi yasho ukuthi okay, isebenzile.
Efesiyayikhetha manje. Yabona.
Florida. Usaqala nomnyathelo ifrom phaka.
Guys.
Esabigwaba uyasixozelela ikhiphe
Guys, let us basha zoyisha yikho.
Mina ngiyamtshela ke and